What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to get a quick video out there. I haven't posted something in probably 4 weeks. It's been crazy busy out here in the shop yet again. I know when I have a long lapse in videos, I always say it's busy, but that's the truth. It's busy. I'm the only one doing the editing. I'm the only one doing the videoing. I'm the only one working on the vehicle. So it takes a little bit of time. And one of the things we are working on right now is a Mustang rear end and a Crown Vic front end. So already done a couple videos on that kind of stuff. So I don't want to keep repeating same content out. So I wanted to get a quick video out on an update of the 76 F-150. I posted maybe a couple months back. Had a bunch of repair work that had to be done, had to get painted. This one's going back out, I believe, in a couple days. Got a few little things to tweak on it and get it nice and cleaned up for the customer. But before it goes out, let's get your eyes on what kind of it looked like before and what it looks like now. All right, we're gonna start here in the back. I'll kind of slowly, as we start talking through this, kind of put some before pictures in here and kind of, if we can kind of jog your memory as to what we did. This whole back corner, pretty much from rocker panel, cab corner, bottom, cab corner, rocker panel, all the way around was gone. This has all been touched up, put new panels in, new cab corners. Now this is a brand new door. So it did take a little bit of tweaking and moving and cutting and welding to try to get these body lines the way they are. Now these ain't no chip foose, Ken Diggett body lines, but they are what they are. This is a daily driver, and they're as good as I'm gonna get them, and they're a hell of a lot better than they were before. This cab corner was replaced all the way up to about here and down. This inner rocker, the rocker was all replaced, and the door jamb post, all of this was taken out and repaired. Didn't have to do any floor work on it, so that was a plus. We did put all new door seals around this, so all the seals are good. All the window seals, all the door seals, all your felt strips, cab seals going all the way around. That's all new. New window seals. We tried not to replace the front glass, but we ended up having to replace that front glass. The other one was just too far gone. Trying to put it in, it cracked. So, got a new windshield, new seal there. Didn't have to do much to the fenders here. The hood, however, we did have one hole in the hood. I guess this fan came across and shot the fan out the hood one day, so there was a hole repaired in that. After we started body working that, found probably another 20 small, what looked like to be hail dents in it, kind of hiding under the paint. So that has been all reworked. Didn't do anything to the front grille, nothing up here. It's got all new core support mounts, cab mounts. So the other ones, man, they were squished down to maybe a ½ inch. Nothing good on that. Move over to the driver's side. Same thing, didn't have to do anything to this fender. The hood we kind of got where we wanted it, where we liked it. I keep saying we as if there's multiple people in here, and there's not, it's just me. So when I say we, it's really you guys involved, because y'all give me that support and you guys give me that motivation to keep doing what I do. Now I just gotta keep giving you content. Once again, no fender work here. This whole door, didn't have to do too much to the door. It was all right. Bottom half had a little bit of rust. Repaired the bottom half of that door. This one, yet again, this cab corner, pretty much from the body line about here down. And then this back half again, connecting all the way to that passenger side, was repaired. Had a bunch of dents in here that had to get worked out on this corner. This was beat in. Didn't have to do much to the roof. It was pretty good on that end. Now this side we had to do the same thing. This door jamb post, had to get that corner piece popped out of there. This one had a little bit of floor damage in here, so that's all good to go. This back half we ended up sound dead in this back half, so it's nice and quiet now on the outside. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up that solid thump, but the back half of these shake and rattle. Didn't have to do nothing with the dash. The dash was pretty well in good condition. Dash pad has a little teeny tiny crack right there, but that's something we're gonna live with. This wasn't a interior rebuild. It was more get this body work, get this metal all back to where it needs to be so he can drive this thing on a daily basis. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today's video. I know it was short, but it was simple, sweet, and to the point. Wanted to get you a quick update because there will be no more videos on this truck. If I even post videos anymore, I know it takes a long time to post them now for me, but I'm not trying to make excuses, but it is what it is, and I will get better at it. Or at least I'm gonna say I'm gonna get better at it. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get better at it, but I'm gonna try. Got like 3 other videos already kind of queued up. I gotta do some outros to them, do some updates on them. Then they'll start coming out. But that is a wrap for today's video. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, make a comment, like it, dislike it, something, I don't know. Let me know you're out there. If you are subscribed and you are making comments, well, share this thing out. That's all I got. Thanks you guys for sticking around. We'll see you guys next time.